So typically you would use wrap foils in your kitchen, right, in order to pack food, etc. That's it. Now, what happens in the entire manufacturing process is that you can know the quality of the foil only after it has been manufactured, right? Can you get a preemptive view or a predictive view to say that what would be the quality that would come in?
I would imagine you have some sort of algorithm already in place, perhaps?
Exactly, that's right. So I think this is where the power of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Industry 4.0 comes into the picture, where what we are trying to do is we are saying that if we want to generate a certain percentage of a quality of a coil or a foil, the certain inputs or parameters have to be designed in such a way, and that can be predicted using artificial intelligence.
Okay, so instead of like trial and error method, you can have the predictive analysis to do something that is more concrete.
Perfect, that's right. So that's one way through which you can reduce the quality issues that are there, the non-conformances within your quality process.